Alright, today guys, we will be doing our first video on this new channel. Because as you guys might know, my other channel got deleted. And I just made a new challenge to make money, but also get your favorite items when you unlock every item. And it's basically the stick challenge, but making money. And we are not doing this alone.
Ooh.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Hello. I am. I forgot.
Alright, you're gonna
You
get
forgot.
cool act. Okay, introduce yourself, Fred.
My name is Onyx VR.
Okay,
Maybe
so
my
now,
grapple
everybody, we have to buy sticks so we don't lose any money.
A stick?
Do we have to start it at $0 because I have 238K?
Wait, listen. I'm open. Okay, so everybody's buy a small bag. Everybody buy a small bag.
Okay.
And
Wait.
and listen to
Bro,
this.
I have 238K. I can
But you
literally
can't
buy anything.
No. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Only the money we earn we could use. So like say we earn 2,000, we could only buy.
Then I would only be able to buy like a grappler.
Yeah, and remember this, we split the money, so. Red, where are you? You could buy a small bag now. And listen, the money we earn, we have to split. So say we have 2,000,
we
only
need
one of us could buy a grappler.
Wait, we can buy a light if we mine enough crystals. And we could go to mines.
This is mines.
No, like go inside of mines and get more money.
Red, where are you?
Yeah, he quit.
Alright, that's a little bit better, because that means we only have to split the money too.
Here, we're about to get like $99, so I'm gonna go buy it. I mean,
Wait, don't buy anything. Don't buy anything. Don't buy anything.
bruh.
We have 514 nuts, so let me buy a pickaxe real quick.
You buy a pickaxe, I'll buy a light.
Wait. Don't buy anything. Don't buy anything. Let me do the math.
We need a light.
Minus, what is it? 400
It's only 99 cents.
minus. We have 15 nuts left.
50?
15.
Seriously?
It's fine. We could just get some more. We don't really need a light.
Wait, we have 69.
Wait. Let's just sell this piece of cheese and then you could get a light. Just let me sell it, then do the math, and I'll tell you.
I'm talking about the glow light.
Alright. 69. Yeah, so you could buy that. Okay, let's go.
I was talking about the glowing one.
Wait. We have 69 and you just bought that flashlight for 49. So we have 20 left. 20 left. We can't buy any bags.
Okay, let's go.
We can't buy any bags.
I know. I'm gonna save up for the big blue bag.
Yeah, let's just get like 2 pieces of gold, then we could just leave. Or wait, we could get a lava crystal from Angler Cave, and then we could get big bags. So let's just go to Angler Cave. I killed him.
are you?
In Angler Cave. Come get a lava crystal.
Okay.
Here, take this.
Wait. Sorry, though.
Get the lava crystal.
One of my sticks broke.
It's fine. Get that. No, no.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're good. Now we just gotta drop to the bottom. To mine the green ore. Listen, can you hold this other lava crystal?
Come here real quick. Yes, I can.
Alright, we don't have any
Uh-oh.
bags, remember? Just drop your stick. Get it, get it. Alright. So now,
Will you beat him up? Would you beat Spider up?
yes. If we run into him, oh, green crystal. Come over here, come over here.
Easy find.
Alright, now we just
Yes.
sell these lava crystals and we're good. Kept 4,000. Cause you can buy a pickaxe.
Can I at
now.
least buy a big blue bag?
Yeah, but I'm also buying you a pickaxe here.
Nice.
Okay, wait.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, before we go, let me do the 172 nuts left.
972. Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna
Oh.
subtract 99. Oh, let's make that 170. Wait. Minus 198. Okay, we have 774 nuts left. Anything else we should get?
Don't buy anything.
I'm just checking. We don't really need the bat. It's just like the pickaxe. Yeah, that's really all we could buy. All right, let's go back to Lava Land.
Bro, we're literally like leveling up so fast.
Yesterday,
We already got a pickaxe, a
okay,
big bag.
viewers, if you didn't know, yesterday I tried to do this, but I literally failed so many times I had to quit.
And why'd you do it again?
Because it was going to be a bad first video. You know what I mean? Just losing the first challenge of my brand new channel, that sucks. And by the way, my other account got deleted for no reason.
Why?
I don't know. But it had 312 subscribers.
Yeah. Oh, he's. Oh, nice.
Ooh!
Actually
Ooh!
beat him.
Ray gun.
Oh, Vega.
Wait.
Spider.
I can walk on lava now.
What the Sigma? Whoa.
Alright.
Wait, use your ray gun to grab that. Or do that. Because you can walk on lava.
Yo. This is why ray guns and crossbows always come in handy. Oh. I'm
You wanna
good.
go beat up Spider?
Yo, I got
I
my.
got a research point.
Alright. We gotta find more lava crystals. Yo, but I really appreciate that the ray gun and like, what is it, crossbow can do this stuff. Alright, got it!
Okay, I think there's no more lava crystals.
Let's just look for more. They're worth a lot.
Wait, I see one.
Where? Oh,
here.
I see a fish.
Okay, let's go, Bill. I'll beat him up.
No, I got
I have full
this.
health.
No, I kind of want to
I
slam
have full
dunk.
health.
Ooh, I got him.
Nice.
Ooh. Alright. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What'd you get?
Do you not see what this is? It's a freaking
Can I
revolver.
have it? Can I have it?
Wait.
You have the ray gun.
Ooh. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, take it. We could. Wait, I remember. I saw revolver ammo earlier.
Where?
It was in the lava. It might have despawned by now.
Probably did. But it's full. We don't know. Plus, if we get enough money to buy it, then I can buy it.
Yo, bro, let me. How many lava crystals did you get?
0.
All right, it's fine. I think we have enough to get grappers now.
Wait. Can we go mine the gold? Can we go mine gold?
Why mine gold when we could get lava crystals?
Because it's kind of the same amount as lava crystals.
Barely. But yes, fine. You'll collect.
Oh, I just got.
You can collect
No,
the
that's
gold.
cool. Bro, that's cool. I just got nuts and company coins.
Yeah, that's not really that rare. I get it like all the time. All right, I got a golden nugget.
Okay.
Here, golden nugget. Yo, it's trying to suck. Got it.
Go.
All right, we got it. All right, let's go back. Let's go back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you own them?
Yeah. I'm coming down. All right. Kill him.
Sorry, I just got exploded by a gun.
Flare gun.
Oh,
Wait, I have a plan to defeat the mimic. I could stun him and then you could shoot the grenade at him.
or I could hit him with a.
No. Just hold the grenade out so we could kill him. It was easier.
Wait up.
I found the mimic. He's stunned.
Wait.
Run.
Oh. That exploded the mimic. No, it did not.
Shoot him with a grenade. Easy snipe.
Got it. Wait, I forgot my pickaxe.
Go get it.
Where was it?
Bro, but thank goodness this ain't animal box because that pickaxe would have been despawned by now. Found it. Come on.
I just got lucky again.
Come on, let's go.
There's another one.
Wait, he's still alive. Not just kidding. Just kidding. All right, let's kill Armstrong.
Oh.
You dummy! No! Huh? No!
Oh, actually, chill. You're freaking me out.
No!
What?
I almost died right there, mommy.
I'm here, though.
No! Hee hee.
Stop scaring me. Uranium.
Oh!
Did you die?
What do you think?
We have to turn off our light. He's gone. Go.
What the?
Wait, watch out. I got him. Oh, he's coming. Let's go. I found the exit. Come on.
I found your mom. Ah!
Two. need our lights.
No, we kind of do.
Why?
To see better in the final boss.
You mean we're beating the game?
No.
And why'd you say final boss?
Like, at the end of the sewers.
Which is the end of the sewer game.
Like where the ogre and 2 angers are.
Oh, sus.
Let's go.
Where?
To the exit.
I just want to be another leader.
Come on, let's go. Come on. We could get more on the way out.
Okay, come on.
Michael Jackson just had a baby and it's ugly. Get at.
The only good one I've ever got with most research points is uranium crystals. I was like, it's seriously hard. Oh my. Ooh, pretty good one.
I almost just died.
What?
I almost just died.
Ow.
Almost hit the cis skeleton thing. Yo, bro, where are you? Yo, this is attached to a ray gun and a crossbow. Bro, I literally have a pickaxe connected to these two things. What do we do?
Let's go. Go, let's go.
Alright.
Go, run.
Yes! Let's go!
Get a water money though. Uranium is one of the most expensive things in the game.
The fourth best thing.
I guess.
Eggs are the best.
Okay, so.
Alright, Mom.
Bye bye, Turkey.
Whoa, what the? I'm getting the calculator open. $69 nuts to spend. Wait, don't buy the RPG. Don't buy the RPG. Instead of buying the RPG, we are gonna buy the Dragon
any money
RPG.
at the new map? Is there any money at the new map?
New map.
Yeah, there's no map. What is it? I don't know how to do it.
I didn't.
You just listed $10,000.
Yeah, and our goal of the video was actually getting. And it had to be a dragon.
Bruh. So now I can buy whatever I want.
You have 2,570 nuts to spend.
Aren't we done with the video?
Yeah. Before we. Yeah, that's what we had to do, and now we're gonna sell all of our items.
Yeah.
No, all these precious little items we got, we're gonna sell.
No.
Except the RPG.
Can you help me get after this?
Yeah, wait. Don't sell the RPG ammo. Don't sell the RPG ammo.
Why?
I'm gonna use it. Now wait. Before we sell this, let me just subtract another 1,000. We have 1,571 nuts. Now let's sell all of this. I'm reviving.
No.
Where's the RPG?
Don't buy another RPG. Wait, can we go get a bunch of chicken eggs?
Give me a sec. Okay, we have 572 nuts left. Now let's sell all our items real quick.
Oh, Nikes. I forgot my revolver.
The final number of the video is 800.
I forgot my revolver.
Oh, sell that. So after this, it's the final number.
Because I forgot my revolver.
Okay, let's,
Wow. 281.
348 I got. 1,100, wait. 1,148 is the final number of the video. Now, to celebrate that we got the RPG, we are going to shoot it.
Chill, though.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video if you're still here. And please subscribe so we can reach 312 subscribers again. And that's really it for the intro video.
Me.
Yeah. Bye.